Hi, in this video we're going to explain how to use HTML tags to create websites. We're going to use Notepad as a software for typing in HTML codes. First of all, we're going to open Documents. Okay. Right click, create a new folder. You may name the folder with your name or project 1 or assignment 1 as you like. Inside your folder, right click, new. If we don't have the option for creating Notepad from the shortcut menu, move to Programs, search for Notepad. Okay. File, from the File menu, click File, Save As. Okay. Back to Downloads. Inside your folder, I need to save my Notepad inside the folder we just created. Okay. Now we need to change the file type. Instead of txt, which is the file type of Notepad, we need to change it to be HTML. So we're going to, back to Documents, Project 1. We're going to delete this, name the Notepad to be Project 1.html. Now we change it, the type of the Notepad from txt to HTML. Click Save. Back to the folder. Now we're having a file from type .html, and the icon of the file, change it to be Google Chrome. Double click. Okay, now we're having an empty web page. The first step will be typing an HTML tag. We're gonna type and open HTML tag. Okay, I need to let my computer understand that I'm going to type HTML. As we said in class, if we're having an open tag, we need to close the tag. So create a close tag for HTML. In between the open HTML and the close HTML, we're going to type, I'm going to take a space and type the head tag. Again, if we're having an open tag, we need to close the tag /head. Okay, then we need to create the body. We just said that HTML tags are the head, the body, and the footer, which we will not, we're not going to use the footer. Okay, so body, we're having an open body tag, it should be closed. Okay, we can take enter, space again, body, /body. Okay, here I need to add a title for my website instead of Project 1. Okay, type here a title tag. Okay, between the open head and the close head, type a title tag. Okay, we're having an open title, close title. Okay, here I'm going to place the name of the website or the title of the website to be my first web site. Okay, from file, save. Okay, we're going to refresh the web page here to display the changes. Okay, as you can see, the title displayed here on the web page as my first website. Now we need to add a heading for the website. As long as we're going to add a content for the website, it should be written between body open and body close. So take space, enter. Heading in HTML are written as H, okay, H open and H close. This is the tag. I didn't add the slash. This is the tag for headings or for titles to be displayed on the website. We're having different sizes of titles or headings, starting from 1 to 6. 1 is the largest one and 6 is the smallest one. Again, we're having different sizes for the headings, where 1 is the largest one and 6 is the smallest one. Okay, I need to have my heading from size 2. So H2, and in between I'm gonna type welcome. Again, file, save, move to the web page, refresh. Now my web page displayed a title with welcome. Okay, what if we change it H1 to be, for example, H5? Okay, from file, save, back to the web page, refresh. Now we're having a smaller heading. 1, remember, 1 as the largest and 6 as the smallest. Okay, change it back to 3, for example. Okay, to display the changes, file and save the notepad, back to the page. Okay, this one is moderate, this is okay. Now I need to add a paragraph. The tag for paragraph is P, so open tag for P, and before typing anything you need to close the P. Again, closing P. In between, type in any paragraph. For example, welcome to my first website. Okay, file, save, back to the web page, refresh. Now we're having a paragraph displayed on our website using the P tag. Thank you so much. To add a list to our website, we're having to create unordered list, and unordered list is the list with bullets or with dots, or to create ordered list, the one with list items 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. For the unordered list, we're having an opening tag with UL and a closing tag with UL. For the unordered list, we're having OL as the open tag and /OL as a closing tag. For each item on the list, we need to add LI / this is the opening one and the closing tag /LI. We're going to edit the project we created for last week assignment. I have it here on documents, okay, in a folder named project 1. Here we have the HTML file. We need to open the HTML file using Notepad. So select your file, right click, open with, and select Notepad. Okay. In between the body open and the body close, and after the paragraph tag, we're going to take enter and then type UL to create unordered list. This is the open tag, and we're having a closing tag with UL. Okay. In between UL open and UL close, we're gonna add list item number 1. This is the open list item and closed list item. For list item number 1, we're gonna type studying for next week computer quiz. Okay. And for list item number 2, AI, we're gonna make it submitting my homework, and close the LI to display the new changes on the website. On file, save, double click. Okay. Here we have the heading and then the paragraph and then the unordered list with 2 list items. We need to add a title for our list. From here we can add a heading before the UL. Remember, the heading has different sizes from 1 to 6, where 1 is the largest one and 6 is the smallest one. Open tag with H, we're gonna make it 4, okay, and close tag with H4. In between H4 open and H4 close, we're gonna type my to do list. This to display the changes. File, save, refresh. Now we're having a title for our list. To change the list from being unordered list to be ordered list, to display the list in 1, 2, 3, 4, we're going to change the UL to be OL, okay, and the UL close to be OL. File, save, refresh. Now we're having ordered list with 2. To add an image to your website, you need to use the following tag. The IMG tag is different from the paragraph tag and the heading tag. The starting tag is IMG and the closing tag is /. In between we're having SRC, and SRC representing the source or the name of the image. Then we need to add an alternative name, the alt, okay. The alternative name is a name will be displayed if there is anything wrong with the uploading of the image, the name of the image is wrong, has something wrong with the spelling and so on. It will be displayed as we're having here, an error, and then the alternative name we wrote in the tag. To add an image to our website, we're going to download any image, okay, from Google. Click here. We're going to add a happy face image. Download any one Okay, this one is okay. Right click, save image as. Okay, and make sure that you're going to save the image inside the folder where you saved your project. Okay, the HTML file and the image should be placed in the same folder. From documents, I'm gonna select the folder of my project, change its name to be happy, for example, and click save. Back to our folder. Now we're having the HTML file and the image in the same folder. Again, to display the image correctly on the website, both the file and the image should be placed in the same folder. Back to the notepad. After the OL close, press enter, then open tag img, take a space, src equal. The name of the image should be displayed in between double quotations. You can type the name happy, okay, dot jpg, or from here you can right click, rename, and copy the name of the file and the type of the file. After dot, jpg as the type of the image. You need to copy that all, okay, and place the name in between the double quotations. Now we need to add the alternative name or the alt. Okay, again in between double quotation, any alternative name. We're gonna name it happy. Okay, and then close slash close. Okay, file, save. From here, refresh. Now we're having the image displayed on the website. What if we're having an error with the name of the image? For example, I'm going to delete one of the P. Okay, now the spelling of the image is wrong. So from file, save, refresh. Now it will display an error and the alternative name of the app. To add a hyperlink to your website, you need to add the hyperlink tag in between the body open and the body close. Take a space after the paragraph or after any part you need to add your URL in. Add open tag with A, then take a space. Our attribute will be href equals. In between quotations, we're gonna add the address of the YouTube video, for example, the sites you need to open, and so on. So I'm gonna search YouTube for any video. Okay, I'm gonna take like this one for Masha and the bear. Okay, open it. The URL will be the one here in the address bar. Okay, this one. Just click here and take the full address. Right click, copy, back to your notepad in between the quotations. I'm gonna paste my address, then close the tag. Okay, then I need to write the text that when we click on it, we're gonna open the video. So I'm gonna right click here. Okay, and then I'm gonna close my tag with /A. Close. So A, take a space, href
equal in between quotations the link, and then you need to type any text that will be your hyperlink, and finally close your link. Okay, when we click file, save, okay, it's here, right click, open with Google Chrome. We're having our hyperlink here. When we click on it, it will open the YouTube video. Okay, it's here. Thanks for watching.